my god, you guys, what's up? It's your girl Angela and welcome back to my Chanel and to my first ever Zara haul. I have never ordered from Zara, believe it or not. I have picked up a few pieces here and there, like I have a crew neck hoodie, a basic crop top, kind of like another hoodie and a jacket, but I've never ordered from their website. I've never tried their dresses, their skirts, their pants, their tops, and nothing. I can't believe I've made it this far in life without ordering from Zara. Like, this is a cultural reset. I'm extremely nervous. I feel like I'm on a first date. I'm sweating. The package just came in and I was so excited. I threw on my robe. Literally, I'm completely unprepared for this video. I have toothpaste stains all over my robe. But before we get into today's video, of course, I have to give my Angel Alert Army shout out. So today's Angel Alert Army shout out goes to Sammy. Thank you, Sammy, for all of your love and support. And if you want to be a member of the Angel Alert Army, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, click the little notification bell, and retweet the tweet that's pinned at the top of my Twitter for a chance to be featured in my next video, and also a chance to be followed, because I'm also following everyone that I shout out here on my channel. So that just ups the ante a little bit, gives you a little bit more of an incentive, because I will be following you as well. But I'm hyperventilating. It's getting hot in here. I have a bunch of pieces from Zara to try on. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Here she is. Isn't she lovely? I am very, very nervous about this package. Okay, I feel like I have to explain myself a little bit, because when I open this box, you guys are going to be like, what were you thinking? Because I ordered sizes from extra small, small, medium. My sizing is all over the place. All the while Zara was recommending that I pick a size large and everything based on my height and weight measurements, and I didn't get a single large because I've never been a large in my life. I'm not one to get hung up about sizes, because I mean, it's just a label. Like, the only person that sees it is you. But I didn't want to receive a box full of clothes that don't fit me, and I kind of carry my weight differently because I do have a BBL. So that was one of the issues I came across. So my sizing is all over the place. Another thing is that the Zara website is extremely hard to navigate. I've kind of mastered it at this point. It took me months to place an order because the website is damn near impossible. It's very artsy, but it's not very functional. And also the models are stick thin. I'm not trying to weight shame anybody. I think they're beautiful and they're stunning in their own right. However, they don't look like me. They're not shaped like me. I have a good 60 pounds on them. So I have no idea what these pieces are gonna look like on a thicker girl like myself. So very nervous about that. Not to mention the way they're posing on the site is insane. But let's get into this box. Oh my God. Oh, they packaged it nice. Very nice packaging, I will give them that. It's like a gift. Okay, of course the piece that I was most worried about is right on top, so let's try this one on first. It is this, I think this is a midi. Look how tiny it looks against my body. Okay. These tags are like the size of novels too. Oh my God. So this dress comes in two sizes, extra small, small, and medium large. Of course, Zara recommended I get a medium large, and typically I'm a true size medium. So that's the size I would have gotten if it were in stock, and it wasn't. So I took a leap of faith here and got it in an extra small, small. I don't remember the last time I was an extra small, probably in middle school. And judging by this dress, I'm very concerned. So let's see if I can get it on above my ankles and we'll figure it out from there. Oh my God, you guys. This is gonna be the dress of the season. Do you see her? How does this fit me? I've never been an extra small in my life. Kind of. How does this fit me? This is an extra small, small. It fits me like a glove. It is so stunningly beautiful. The material is soft, extremely stretchy. Because this material is so stretchy, I could see why they only needed to do 2 sizes in it, but I just ate, by the way. Oh my God. What do you guys think? Is it a keeper? I mean, I'm keeping her. I'm so thankful I didn't get a medium large because it would have been too big. I'm sorry, I'm sweating, I'm hyperventilating. This is like, oh my God, I love it. I love it. I could definitely see this being the dress of the season, the dress that everybody goes after, and it's always sold out because it has been selling out really fast. Get your hands on this dress. If you haven't, you need it. I'm telling you, you need it. Okay, next one. Okay, so next up we have this green maxi skirt. Very, very cute. This color is very trendy right now, and I paired it with this blue crop top situation. Let me try this on and see how it fits. When I say my sizing is all over the place in this video, please hold. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're 2 for 2. I don't know how I'm nailing it with these sizes, but holy shit, like, this outfit is everything. I love the skirt. It fits me like a glove. Would not go up or down a size. The medium fits me perfectly, and the top is a medium too, and if I would have went down to a small, it would have been too tight. We're doing amazing, sweetie. We're doing amazing. This is a look. I love this blue green mismatch going on. I know summer is ending and I'm probably not gonna get the most use out of this, but for my next trip, honey, for my next trip, like, this is it. It's not too showy. It's still very sexy. I love the skirt. The skirt just feels rich. And now I hate myself for not trying Zara sooner because I get the hype. I really do get the hype, but oh my God, this is like, sorry, all the tags are out. I literally just, let me tuck some of these in for you. All of these tags are out, but oh my God, it's definitely giving. I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but the back of this top has like this stretchy panel right here, so it fits like a glove. Everything about this is like A1. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I keep on looking at the monitor to see what I look like because damn, sis. Okay, what else do I have? Okay, I forgot I also got a bag. Designer who? I'm gonna take all this paper out of it. How would I wear it? Hold on. This is cute. This is very cute. I needed a white, like a plain white bag that can go with anything. I love that quilting is in right now, and the chain isn't that like fake shiny plastic gold. It's more of like a bronze, right? This is more bronze, or what's the word I'm looking for? Bronze. Yeah, this is more like a bronze instead of a gold, and it looks worn and vintage, and it's so cute. Bye. I love this. I love this. I think my style is officially changing. Like, I feel like since I turned 30, I've wanted to, and it has nothing to do with age, it just kind of happened where when I turned 30, I wanted to change my style a little bit, and I was too afraid to because I thought that like you guys wouldn't like it on Instagram. And honestly, a lot of my photos only get likes if I'm in lingerie or a bikini, but I'm gonna start posting whatever I want. Like, because this makes me feel good. This makes me happy. It makes me want to post. It makes me want to be creative, you know? So what do you guys think? I'm like tripping over this box, but like, is this a moment? Let me know. Oh, this bag is so cute. Okay, next up we have this. I'm very hesitant with linen because I know linen doesn't stretch. And for all my BBL gals out there, you know that it's hard to find clothes that fit if they're not stretchy, because if they're not stretchy, they're most likely not going to fit. So this dress is a little bit different because it's like this linen material on top, but the bottom is this ruched, stretchy like skirt situation. And I saw another YouTuber who was around my size say that she would have gotten a medium, but she's glad that she got a small because the small fits way better. So that's what I got. I got this in a size small, so let's see how it fits. Okay, so in true Angela fashion, I got self-tanner on it as I was putting it on. We're just gonna ignore that. But this is what the dress looks like. It fits me perfectly. Again, this is a size small. A medium would have been too big. I honestly thought that the arms would be tight on me, but they're not. They fit me perfectly. The skirt is perfect. It's a really good length. How did I do this? How did I pick out all the right sizes, and even though the sizes are all over the place, I still got them right? Like, what? But we do some poses for the thumbnail. Or should I pose like Zara models? They really just be posing all crazy, huh? Couldn't be me. But anyway, 10 out of 10. Love this dress. Super cute. It just fits. I don't know how. I need to get this. I need to get this self tanner off. But what else do we have in here? I know I got earrings. Okay, so let's try. While we still have this on, I forgot I got these. Okay, so I got these earrings. They're like these thick gold hoops. Let's put these on, see what they look like. Oh my God, these are so cute. They look heavy, but they're not. They're actually very, very light. I love them, and I love them with this dress too. It's giving very much safari. Okay, what else do we have in here? Okay, so we have more linen material. I got these linen pants in a size medium, as well as this linen crop top. So let's see if I got it right again. Kind of nervous about the pants. They're not giving any stretch except for around the waist, but the rest is very like non-stretchy, so let's try it on. Okay, so I have my thoughts. The top is A1, fits me perfectly, looks great. I love that it ties in the back. It is a little bit big. I guess I could put this under here. Let's do that. It is a little bit big on the back, but other than that, like everything else fits me perfectly. The pants though, I don't know if you can see this like pulling around the crotch region, and it's because it's pretty tight around my butt. And that's the real problem here. It fits good on my waist. Like if I were to go up a size, it would have been too big on my waist and then tight on my butt. This is what I'm talking about when it comes to linen and BBLs. They just don't go together. I forgot to turn off my AC, hold on. But at the same time, this does feel like the type of material that might stretch the longer I wear it, like as my skin warms up the pants. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Oh, the tag is like ruining my moment here. It's ruining my booty moment. What do you guys think? Should I keep it, return it? I just love this look though. It's so like monochromatic. It's giving safari. Again, it's giving jungle. It's giving fall vibes, but I just don't know how I feel about the pants. This is the whole look. What do you guys think? Let me know. I do see some shoes in here, or should I say sandals. I got these platform flip-flops. These are so cute. Let me see if they fit me. Oops, that was loud. I hope my feet aren't dirty. They probably are. These are comfortable. These are really comfortable. play. Really, really cute, comfy. Definitely see myself wearing these with some, look, they give me some height too. I'm like 2 inches taller. Their platform. But I can definitely see myself wearing these with some like wide leg jeans, like mom jeans. Super cute. Okay, I think I only have one thing left. Damn, I spent $400 and this haul went by like that. All right, let's try on the last thing I got. Okay, so for this last one, I definitely had to put panties on. This outfit is extremely see-through. It is this legging set. It actually doesn't come as a set. You buy the pieces separately, but yeah, it's really, really cute and comfy. I got this in a medium large because I thought that that was my size. I mean, it does work. It is a little bit big, nothing too crazy. I just feel like when the size is like extra small or medium large, because I'm a medium, I can go either way. If I want like a tighter fit, I can do an extra small. If I want a looser, more stretchy fit, I can do a medium large, but this is very see-through. And I was not expecting that at all. Like, you could definitely see my panties right through, but it is so soft and so cute. I love it so much. What do you guys think? I kind of really like it. Yeah, maybe if I wear like not white panties, like nude ones, you won't be able to tell as much. I don't know, but I'm keeping it. Plus I already got my tan all over it, so I'm pretty sure I can't even return it at this point. So go me. But sadly, that is all I got. $400 worth of clothes tried on in about 5 minutes. Let me know if Zara hauls are something that you're into. I would love to do more of them. This was an unsponsored video, which I forgot to mention at the beginning. Zara did not sponsor me. I bought all of this with my own money, and I definitely want to start doing more unsponsored content. So let me know if you want to see more of Zara or any other brand, because I'd love to spend my coin so you don't have to. But that is all I have for you for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.